Welcome back. This is part 6, how to play the trumpet. In our last video we talked about some terms and musical ideas, and on that page, which was page 5 at the time, you saw like a red box or a yellow box, and then later on the page it showed a highlighted section of that same color of what that box was talking about. And that's kind of how this whole book is set up. If you'll turn to page 6 in your book, you'll look at the top of that page and you'll see a lot of those same color boxes. And starting on page 6 and going forward, all of those boxes of the colors mean the same thing each time. So for example, yellow boxes, you'll see a yellow box on top of page 6, and in that yellow box you'll see 3 new notes. So throughout this book, whenever there's a yellow box at the top of the page, it's going to be new notes. Okay? Whenever you see a green box, it's going to be key signatures and time signatures. In this case, it was 4/4 time. And if that ever changes, there'll be a green box at the top of the page and then a section later somewhere that's highlighted green, and you'll know that that's talking about that same box. Blue boxes are going to talk about new rhythmic values. So when you on the top of page 6, you'll see the blue boxes whole note and whole rest. Later you'll learn half notes and quarter notes and eighth notes, as well as slurs and ties and other types of things that change the rhythm of the notes. And then there's also purple boxes and red boxes. Those boxes are referring to new terms that you will be learning about music. Okay, so those will all be in there. Now, if you look on any of the pages, you'll notice you might see a highlighted section somewhere on one of the exercises in your book. Specifically on page 6, you'll notice on exercise number 1, the first box is a green, or first highlighted section is a green section, and that's highlighting that 4/4, that time signature. And you look at the top of the page and you find the green box, and it'll explain and give a definition for that. The next one is that first highlighted note, and it says E, but then you look up at the box and it tells you the fingering of that E, and so you can find it there. And then the next one is the second measure is highlighted, that rest, highlighted in blue. So you look at the top of the page and you see in blue, you see that whole note and whole rest, and it gives you more definition there. So that's kind of how it's going to go throughout this whole book. Look for those highlighted sections, and whatever color it is, look to the top of the page, find the box of the same color, and it'll help you understand what it is that you need to learn about that exercise. Hopefully that's helpful. You're more than welcome to look throughout the book, like turn the pages, kind of see how the book is set up, and kind of get comfortable with it, so as we start learning things, you'll be ready to go. So starting on our next video, we're actually going to be playing the whole trumpet together, not just the mouthpiece, and we're going to be making some notes, and so join me for that one. It's going to be fun.